Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So grade 6, we all know that we have completed our first chapter, which is cells, tissues and organs. So now in this lesson we will do some exercises from this chapter. So let's start this lesson. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So students, the very first exercise which I have for you is that choose the correct answer from the given options. So the number 1 is that the dash controls what goes in and what goes out of the cell. You have 4 options: cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm and vacuole. So basically in this question they ask that which membrane controls what goes in and what goes out of the cell. Yes, you think right that it is cell membrane which controls what goes in and what goes out. Number 2, dash contains the solution called cell sap in plant cells. We all know that in plant cell there is a large vacuole filled with a sugar and salt solution which called a cell sap. So the right answer for the number 2nd MCQ is it vacuole, because chloroplast contain the green pigment, cytoplasm contain jelly like substance and mitochondria is a powerhouse. That's why all 3 options are incorrect, but vacuole is correct one. Number 3 is different tissues arranged together to form dash. Cells arranged together to form tissue, and when tissue arranged together they form an organ. Different organs combined and form our organ system, and when different organ system combines it form an organism. So the correct answer for number 3 is organ. Now the number 4 is that dash invented the first microscope. You have to write down the name of correct scientist which invented the microscope. So yes, you think right that the scientist's name is Galileo Galilei. In 16th century, Galileo Galilei was a lens maker, so it made a very first microscope. Number 5, there are dash magnification lenses are present in light microscope. So students, you know that you all have drawn a label diagram of light microscope in your notebooks. So in that microscope there are 3 magnification lenses are present, which varies from 40, 60 and 100x. Now the number 6, dash is a single celled plant, and your options are banana tree, chlorella, rose plant and amoeba. So students, amoeba, the option D is very incorrect, because amoeba is a single celled animal, whereas rose plant and banana tree are multicellular plant. So the right answer is chlorella. Chlorella is a single celled plant. Now number 7, in plant cells dash are longer and thin to provide a large surface area. They are talking about plant cells. So in plant cells, which cell are longer and thin to provide a large surface area? We know that photosynthetic cells involve in the production of food. Epidermal cells involve in the protection of plant outer surfaces. Palisade cells are the outer surface leaf cells. So the right answer is root hair cells. These root hair cells are basically present deep inside the soil, where it can get water from their longer and thin root hair cells. Now, the correct answer is root hair cells. Number 8. The cytoplasm contains a number of small structures called vacuoles, cilia, organelles, and mitochondria. They ask that the cytoplasm contain a number of small structures called dash. Cilia? No. Cilia are the hairy structure which are present on outer surface of some living organism, also present in the air passages or in the digestive tract. So cilia is an incorrect answer. Vacuoles? Not. Vacuoles are very large in size if we talk about plant cell. Mitochondria. Yes, we can say that mitochondria, but they asked for the cytoplasm contains a number of small structures. So the number of small structure basically categorized in organelles. They are all called organelles. So the correct answer is option number C, organelles. Number 9. Dash tissue supports and strengthens the plant. Epidermal, photosynthetic, supporting, and palisade. Epidermal? No, because epidermal basically protects the plant outer surface. Photosynthetic? No, because photosynthetic tissues involve in the production of food. Supporting? Yes, you are right. Supporting tissue supports and strengthens the plant, because the palisade is also incorrect, because palisade cells are involved in photosynthesis. Okay, the number 10. Dash is the part of the digestive system. Lungs, kidneys, stomach, and heart. Lungs are the part of respiratory system. Kidneys are a part of excretory system. Heart is a part of circulatory system. So which one is left? Stomach is left. Stomach is the part of the digestive system. Exercise B. Match the column. Match the correct word from column A to the column B. So the first word is respiratory system. Respiratory system matches with the lungs in column B. Now brain. Brain is matches with the, yes, think, nervous system. Brain matches with the nervous system because brain is the part of the nervous system. Cilia, we all know that cilia are hair-like projection. They have which movement? Yes, you speak correct. Ciliary, sweeping movement. So cilia matches with sweeping movements. Unicellular, uni means one, single. So did you see the word single celled? Yes, it is on number 2 in column B. Unicellular matches with the single celled. Cellulose. Cellulose is the part of which cell membrane? Cell wall. Cell wall is on the third line in column B. DNA. DNA is the part of leaves? No. DNA is the part of nucleus. Photosynthesis, yes, you did correct. Photosynthesis involves the food production. And where does the food production? Food production goes in leaves. Kidneys. I have just told you that kidneys are the part of the excretory system. Now we have done 2 exercises. Move toward the third one, which is C. Give reasons to the following statement. So students, for the reasons, you also have to read your books chapter number 1, cell, tissue and organ, very efficiently. Okay, so the number 1 is that why nucleus is not present in RBCs. RBCs, the red blood cells. Why nucleus is not present? Because RBCs are biconcave in shape, disc-like. So this shape enhances or increases the surface area for the absorption of oxygen. Number 2, Why root hair cells have no chloroplast? Because the root hair cells are present deep inside the soil where there is no light is present, so that's why root hair cells have no chloroplast. Why palisade cells are found in the top surfaces of leaves? Because the palisade cells have more chloroplast, that's why it ensures the photosynthesis. Why chloroplast is only found in plant cells but not in animal cell? Because chloroplast contain the green pigment which is involved in the production of food by a process photosynthesis which only take place in plant cells but not in the animal cells, and this chloroplast provide green color to the plants. Why electron microscope magnifies about million times as compared to optical microscope? Yes, you think right. Electron microscope has electron beam in it, that's why it magnifies about million times as compared to optical microscope which uses light as an illuminating source. Now the last exercise, read the statement and mark it as true or false. If the statement is false, then give reason for it. So the first statement is, all organisms are made up of tiny units called cells. Correct, it is true. Number 2, chloroplast contains the substance called DNA. False, because the DNA is present in nucleus. Third, plant cells have a cell membrane made up of cellulose. False, because cellulose is present in cell wall, not in the cell membrane. Number 4, nerve cells carry messages around the body. True. Human nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord and lungs. So this statement is false because lungs are the part of the respiratory system, not the nervous system. So students, here we have done all of our 4 exercises. Your home task is that watch the video completely, read the chapter 1 cells, tissues and organs, and do all the explained exercises from A to D in your notebooks and submit your notebooks by Friday. You all have to copy down all the exercises in your notebooks and do all the exercises by watching the video and also reading the chapter.